Hello, friends. Welcome back to our new topic investigating and exploring through experiments. Question number 1. The journey of science focuses mainly on options are learning only facts, investigating and exploring through experiments, memorizing definitions, avoiding daily life connection. Correct option is investigating and exploring through experiments. Question number 2. What symbol is shown at the bottom of the left hand page? Options are A. Kite, B. A root, C. A tree, D. A moon. Correct option is a kite. Question 3. The kite symbol in the book represents options are festivals, freedom of thoughts and curiosity, traditional heritage, stability. The correct option is freedom of thought and curiosity. Question number 4. In class 6, students learn that science begins with options are experiments, memorizing facts, why and how questions, theories. So correct option is why and how questions. The science is rooted in the curiosity. So asking questions why and how is the first step of scientific method, and these questions lead to observations and hypotheses. The experiments and the theories are the tool used later to find out the answers of these initial questions. Question number 5. What did class 7 emphasize about science? Options are it is fixed and unchanging. Option B, it is always evolving. Option C, it is based only on observations. Option D, it is about memorizing laws. Correct option is it is always evolving. Question number 6. Investigation in science mainly involves options are asking random questions. Option B, careful observation and systemic experiments. Option C, copying result from books. Option D, avoiding measurements. Answer is B, careful observation and systematic experiments. We know scientific method means structured way of exploring the world. It includes observation and systematic experimentation. In observation, we are paying close attention to the identifies pattern or the problem. And the systematic experimentation means designing controlled tests to prove the hypothesis or disprove the hypothesis. Hypothesis means tentative answer to a question. Question number 7. Which of these are invisible helpers found in a drop of water? Options are A. Microbes that aid digestion. Option B. Microbes that causes infection. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None. Correct option is microbes that aid digestion. So microbes are the very small bacteria or microorganism which we cannot see by naked eye. We can see only under the microscope. Helper microbes are those which are beneficial for the body. For example, probiotics. And whereas the microbes that causes infection, these are called pathogens which are harmful rather than helpers. Question number 8. Vaccine help us by options are producing energy, boosting immunity against infections, killing microbes directly, building muscles. So first we know what is vaccine. So vaccines are biological preparation that provide active acquired immunity against infectious diseases by training our immune system to recognize and fight pathogens like viruses and bacteria. Correct option is option B, boosting immunity against infections. Question number 9. The heating effect of electric current is used in option A, motors, option B, heaters, option C, fans, option D, compasses. Correct option is B, heaters. The heating effect occurs when an electric current passes through a conductor with high resistance, which converting electric energy into heat energy. And heaters, these devices uses high resistance coil like nichrome. These are specially designed to generate heat for warming rooms or water. Question 10. The magnetic effect of electric current is used for options are cooking, running motors and machines, making vaccines, boiling water. Correct option is B, running motors and machines. When an electric current flows through a conductor, it creates a magnetic field around it. And in motor, a current carrying coil is placed inside a magnetic field. The interaction between the two fields create a force that causes the coil to rotate and converting electrical energy into the mechanical energy. Question number 11. The force that makes a ball fall back to the ground is options: friction, magnetism, gravity, pressure. Correct option is gravity. Gravity is the fundamental force that attracts objects with mass towards each other. Question number 12. Pressure depends on options are only mass of an object, force applied and area of contact, only area of contact, speed of the object. The correct option is force applied and area of contact. Pressure is defined as physical force exerted on an object per unit area. P is pressure, F is the force applied and A is the area of contact. If increased force applied to a surface, the pressure will be also increased. If we increase the area over which a force is applied, the pressure is decreased. For example, if we are wearing a flat shoe is more comfortable than high heels on the soft ground, because the weight or the force is distributed over a larger area and which results in less pressure. Question number 13. Cyclones are mainly caused by options are temperature differences, pressure differences, ocean waves, sunlight. Correct option is pressure differences. In the question it is asked cyclone. First we see what is cyclone. Cyclone is a large system of winds that rotates around a center of low atmospheric pressure. The warm temperature helps create the initial low pressure zone, and the pressure differences is the physical force that makes the air move and rotate. Question number 14. The arrangement of particles in solid is options are free and random, option B very close and fixed, option C far apart, option D continuously colliding. Correct option is very close and fixed. So we know in solid particles are packed tightly together due to strong intermolecular forces of attraction. Particles in a solid do not move from one place to another. They only vibrate in their fixed positions. Question number 15. Mixtures can be separated by options are A. Chemical reactions only, option B. Physical methods, option C. Nuclear reactions, option D. Cannot be separated. Correct option is B. Physical methods. Mixtures are combination of two or more substances that are physically blended but they are not chemically bonded together, because each substance in the mixture keeps its own original properties, so they can be separated by using the physical process. And the common physical separation methods are filtration, distillation, evaporation and magnetic separation. Question number 16. When sugar dissolves in tea, it forms options A. Element, option B. Compound, option C. Solution, option D. Suspension. Correct option is solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture where one substance is completely and evenly dissolved into another. So in case of sugar, the sugar is solute and tea, which was primarily water, is a solvent. Question number 17. Reflection and refraction are studied under options are electricity, light, pressure, gravity. Correct option is B. Light. Reflection occurs when light bounces off a surface like a mirror, and refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one transparent medium to another. Question number 18. The phases of moon are caused by option A. Earth's rotation, option B. Relative position of sun, earth and moon, option C. Moon's shape changing, option D. Clouds covering the moon. So correct option is relative positions of sun, earth and moon. So as we know, the moon does not produce its own light. It only reflects the light of the sun. At all times, half of the moon is illuminated by the sun. This depends on where the moon is located in its orbit relative to Earth and the sun. When the moon is between the Earth and the sun, we see the dark side of the moon, means new moon. When the Earth is between the sun and the moon, we see the full lit side of the moon. In between these phases, we see varying proportion of the lit side, which we call phases. Question number 19. Early calendars were based on option A, weather cycles, option B, position of stars only, option C, sunrises, sunsets and lunar cycles, option D, ocean tides. Correct option is C, sunrises, sunsets and lunar cycle. Cause early civilizations relied on easily observable repeating natural phenomena to track time for agriculture, hunting and religious rituals. The last question is question number 20. The swelling of a puri when fried is an example of options are a social activity, option B, a scientific observation to investigate, option C, a cultural practice only, option D, a chemical reaction. The answer is option B, a scientific observation to investigate. Because the dough contains moisture, when it hits the hot oil, this water reaches its boiling point and turns into steam. And the steam occupies much more space than the liquid water. As the steam expands inside the dough, it creates pressure. And this internal pressure pushes the layer of the dough apart, causing the puri to puff up.